We're going to take a look at the price analysis feature within Paragon Connect listing maintenance here. So I'm here on a listing. This is a published listing. There's multiple scenarios here. We could either do it from, you have a listing out in the market and you're having trouble selling the listing. You want to check to see, at different price points, are there potential buyers at these points looking for a listing like this? Or if you're entering a brand new listing, you can do the same thing where you can enter your criteria, add a price, and before you establish a price, play around with the potential price to see if there's any buyers out there at these different price points. So to show you this, so I have this listing here, right? It's been on the market for a little bit. I click on my overflow, I go into price analysis. And as you can see here, the current price is at $500,000, that's the list price. At this price, we have 4 potential buyers. Now the way we calculate this is these are buyers within the whole Paragon ecosystem, right? So they're based off your criteria, your price range. Your listing is included within say searches and notifications out there. So that's how we validate that you have 4 potential buyers out there. We can check out how any valuations on this listing. But the main idea here is if you go in here and you say, hey, you know what? At $500,000, I have 4 potential buyers. What if I talk my buyers in to drop in the price to, say $10,000, right? So I'll go 490, I hit recalculate, and guess what? I only have 1 potential buyer at this price. Just to check, let's try 480. Again, only 1 potential buyer. So technically, I think I'm okay because at 500,000, I have 4 buyers more than I do right now looking at that. So just one way to look at it. You can, of course, you go in here, let's just say we do initiate change, let's say we go to 480. You say recalculate, you get 1. When you hit apply price, it will actually update the price, and you can validate that by looking at price, and it will update it instantly for you. So all you would have to do is hit save, and your listing is updated. That's a little bit about the price analysis.